Let me show you how we can disable voiceover on iPhone 17e. So if voiceover is activated, the navigation is slightly altered. And I'm gonna start actually from the home screen. You need to know that in order to switch between pages, for example, on the home screen, you need to use 3 fingers instead of just 1. This also includes scrolling up and down on different menus. So keep that in mind. If you want to go to the home screen, you can swipe with 1 finger from the bottom of the phone. And once you feel the vibration, then you can lift your finger, and if you want to go to the background apps, then you need to swipe to the middle until you feel the vibration for the second time, and then of course you lift your finger. Now, in order to go to settings, we need to tap on the settings once to highlight this option, and then double tap in order to confirm. Now in here we need to actually scroll down, so I'm going to use 3 fingers in order to swipe down. Let's see if it's going to work. I hope it's going to work. I accidentally went to the home screen back again. Okay, managed to scroll down, but essentially you need to use 3 fingers. There we go. So as you can see, we can swipe in order to do so. And of course you want to tap on accessibility and double tap in order to confirm. Over here, if this appears, let's just skip that. I'm just gonna tap on don't allow. We're gonna tap on voiceover once and then double tap. Then we should have our voiceover immediately selected. If not, then tap on it in order to select it, and of course double tap in order to confirm, and voiceover is finally deactivated and you can go back to the standard navigation. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.